Click OK. We will not be able to open this. Go back to our folder one more time. This one. Come to here one more time. Remove the server, but you have to open like as administrator. And then go back. Click this one. It will be fine. And then one more time. Server install. Administrator. It's successfully started. And then SOLIDWORKS one more time. Okay, we got the same error. Okay, when you get this error, just you have to go to like SolidWorks folder, program files, SolidWorks, and go one more time SolidWorks and copy all of them. And then go to computer, local disk C, like wherever you installed, and then program files, and then SolidWorks. One more time SolidWorks over here, and just paste over here. And then try to open. Accept. As you can see, we have everything. If you want me to make more videos like that, like the video and leave a comment please. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.